Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at how to protect your outdoor succulents from incessant rain. Bangalore and many parts of India are experiencing heavy showers and flooding. As gardeners, the rain can be a boon or a bane, and with succulents especially, more the water, more the chances of it dying due to rotting. Because the word succulent itself means something that has water stored in it. Now, if you add more water, it becomes oversaturated and will start rotting. If you're growing your succulents indoors, then it is fine. You can control the water intake. But if it is outdoors, then you would need to act immediately. So in my case, my succulents don't get heavily drenched because of this chadja above their heads, which protects it from the rain most of the time. But if I have continuous rain for a week or so, I would take this to the shed area and keep it there till the sun comes out. So what you could do is, if you have a balcony or a warm windowsill, you can shift your plants there. Succulents can take shifting much better than the other tropical plants. Now this is the same succulent arrangement I had covered a while ago. You can watch the video link above. So taking care of your arrangements is very necessary. I will be removing these weeds here, and I will also be adding more pebbles to just reinvigorate the entire arrangement. Another approach to the rain situation with respect to succulents would be that I would just rely on this particular shade that this chadja provides, and I would let the succulents remain in the same location, because I believe that leaving plants to their own devices sometimes makes them stronger and builds up that immunity that it requires to handle such drastic environmental conditions. The more you mollycoddle your plants, the more it would become complacent and it would not learn basic survival instincts required to stave off such adverse situations. But there is a caveat here. If your succulents are completely exposed, that is, it does not even have this back wall or a chadja, then you might need to take suitable measures. Remember, succulents are not meant to be grown in rainy tropical areas. They largely grow in hot, arid, desert-like places, and this fact must be remembered while taking care of your succulents outdoors or otherwise. Sticking to the rain topic, I have a small update. So you would remember that I had tried saving the snake plant which was rotting inside. So what really happened was, when I was doing this, there was no forecast of rain. It was sunny and not very cloudy. So I thought I would keep it a little exposed on my terrace. But to my bad luck, there was continuous rain for the past few weeks and this completely rotted. So remember, always give these new cuttings full shade, especially when it is raining. With this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. I will be leaving you with some glimpses of my trip to Mysore, so sit back, relax and enjoy the opulence of the city of palaces. Thank you for watching and a very warm goodbye.